Imagine a classroom where artificial intelligence is your teacher, tutor, and guide, and every decision it makes is completely visible and understandable. Sounds futuristic, right? Today, we'll dive into the world of open-source AI, exploring how free and transparent models are making learning safer, smarter, and accessible to everyone. 1. What is open-source AI? Let's start with the basics. Open-source AI refers to artificial intelligence systems whose code, data, and algorithms are publicly available. Unlike proprietary AI models that are locked behind paywalls or corporate policies, open-source AI allows anyone to see how it works, use it, and even improve it. Storytelling moment. Picture a student named Sarah who dreams of learning AI but can't afford expensive subscriptions. By using open-source models like Hugging Face Transformers or GPT-NeoX, she can experiment freely, modify models, and even create her own projects, all without spending a dime. Open-source AI is not only free, but also transparent. You can check how a model makes decisions, understand its logic, and even detect mistakes. This makes it perfect for safe and responsible learning, as students can explore without blindly trusting AI outputs. In short, open-source AI democratizes advanced technology, giving students, educators, and hobbyists a playground to explore, innovate, and learn safely. 2. Why transparency matters in learning. Transparency is one of the biggest advantages of open-source AI. It's all about knowing how AI models work, what data they were trained on, and why they make certain decisions. Storytelling example. Imagine using an AI tutor for a history assignment, and it gives a misleading answer about an event. With a closed AI, you might never know why the mistake occurred. But with an open-source model, you can inspect the code, check the data, and understand the reasoning behind the answer. This teaches students critical thinking and builds trust in AI systems. Teachers can supervise and explain AI behaviors, turning mistakes into valuable learning opportunities. 3. Popular open-source AI models. So, which open-source AI models are available for classrooms? Let's look at a few popular ones. Hugging Face Transformers. These are great for text generation, translation, and chatbots. They allow students to experiment with natural language processing in a hands-on way. GPT-Neo/GPTJ/GPT-NeoX. Free alternatives to commercial GPT models. Students can create AI tutors, write essays, or even develop small chatbots. Stable Diffusion, a model for generating images from text prompts, perfect for art classes and creative projects. OpenAI Gym and RL models, tools for reinforcement learning, teaching AI to solve problems by learning from trial and error. Storytelling moment. Imagine a teacher in an art class using Stable Diffusion, and the AI generates detailed, creative images instantly. 4. How to set up an open-source AI classroom. Setting up an open-source AI classroom might sound complicated, but it can be surprisingly simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose the right platform. Tools like Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook allow you to run AI models online without installing anything locally. Select your models. Pick models that suit your subject, like GPT-Neo. For writing exercises, or Stable Diffusion, encourage students to experiment with inputs, change parameters, and observe outputs. Show the code, explain how it works, and discuss why AI makes certain decisions. Storytelling example. In a high school computer lab, students might train a small chatbot to answer questions about biology. They tweak settings, observe how the model responds, and learn concepts like NLP, tokenization, and response generation firsthand. This approach teaches AI in a way that textbooks alone cannot. 5. Benefits of open source AI in education. Open source AI classrooms offer numerous advantages. Accessibility, free tools. Make AI learning possible for anyone, regardless of financial resources. Hands-on learning. Students interact with real AI models, not just theory. Transparency and trust. Learners understand how AI works, building confidence and curiosity. Students can write stories, generate art, or design experiments using AI. Open source models can be inspected, modified, and monitored to prevent misuse. Storytelling moment. Imagine a student in a rural school with limited resources. Through open source AI and cloud platforms, they can develop projects, test algorithms, and collaborate globally. This access empowers them to learn at a level previously reserved for elite institutions. Open source AI transforms classrooms into spaces of creativity, experimentation, and innovation, preparing students for a future where AI is an integral part of everyday life. 6. Challenges and how to overcome them. While open source AI offers many benefits, there are some challenges. Technical complexity. Some models require coding skills. Potential misuse. Students might generate inappropriate content. Set ethical guidelines and supervision. Bias in models. Even open source models can reflect bias. Encourage students to analyze outputs critically and discuss fairness. Storytelling example. A teacher notices students' chatbot giving biased responses. Instead of ignoring it, the teacher turns it into a lesson on AI ethics, showing students how to detect and correct biases. By addressing these challenges thoughtfully, educators can ensure open source AI is both safe and effective, helping students gain practical skills while learning responsible AI usage. 7. The future of open source AI in education. The future of open source AI classrooms is bright and full of possibilities. Personalized learning. AI can adapt lessons to students' individual needs. Global collaboration. Students worldwide can share projects, code, and results in real time. Lifelong learning. Open source AI makes it possible for anyone to learn at any stage of life. Bridging educational gaps. Students in remote or under-resourced areas can access world-class AI tools. Storytelling moment. Imagine a virtual AI classroom connecting students from 5 different countries. Together, they design a project using reinforcement learning and text generation models. They learn from each other's perspectives, test hypotheses, and solve problems collaboratively. Open source AI classrooms empower learners to experiment, innovate, and think critically while fostering creativity and ethical awareness. It's education that's transparent, democratic, and safe, giving students the tools to thrive in a world increasingly powered by AI.
Like, share, and subscribe for more.